Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And yesterday I made a couple of videos on how to draw like this. And I started thinking there's an easier way to do that. So we will grab our circle and nudge it over 7.5 inches to put on that side. Yesterday I was cutting this out and having to put lines. I started thinking, you know, if we use the Smart Fill tool, we can fill in every other line. And this will make life a lot easier. And then grab our circle and just move it out of the way. We don't need any more. And then take this and left click, right click. And then yesterday I was having to put lines and deleting lines. So let's just take all this and go back minus front. Whoop, front minus back, or back minus front. And I get my lines already done. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and then I'm going to mirror it. Then I'm going to select the whole thing, and I'm going to go up to Object, and I'm going to, let's just select one bar of that, break curve apart, and move that one side out of the way. I actually should move this out of the way. And then go here again and go, well, maybe this one I have to break curve apart again. Yes. And what that did is allowed me to get rid of the box. And same thing here. Now I can nudge this back over. And before we wanted to draw this is 15 by 13 now, but we want a 16-inch box. So hold down the Control button, type in 16, hit P, put it in the center of the page. And now our work is half done, because we've got stopping parts and starting points, and that's what the design is already going to look like. I'm going to play around with this and make a second video on how to finish this out, but this would make life a lot easier. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.